In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set take profit on eToro. If you want to lock in gains automatically when a trade reaches a certain price, setting a take profit level is a simple and useful tool. It helps you manage your position without needing to watch the market constantly, and it can make your trading plan more disciplined and consistent. To begin, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is where you'll find all of your current open positions, along with the assets you're already invested in. Inside your portfolio, select the position you want to manage. For example, this could be a stock like Amazon, shown as AMZN, or any other trade you currently have open. Click on that position to bring up its details. This opens the trade information window, where you can adjust settings related to that specific position. From there, open the position settings or details area if it isn't already fully expanded. You're looking for the section that allows you to manage your take profit level. Once you see it, click on the take profit price section to start editing it. Now, enter the take profit value you want to use. You can usually do this by using the plus and minus buttons to adjust the price gradually, or by typing in a specific price manually if you already know your target. This is the price level at which eToro will automatically close your position once the market reaches your chosen profit target. Before saving anything, take a moment to review the details carefully. Check that the take profit price is correct, and look at the estimated profit amount shown on screen. This is helpful because it lets you confirm that your target matches your expectations before you apply the change. Even a small pricing error can affect your final result, so it's worth double-checking. Once everything looks right, click the green Set button. This saves the take profit level to your position and activates it. After that, verify that the take profit is active. The easiest way to do this is to confirm that the take profit value now appears in the position details window. If you can see the updated value there, that means your take profit has been successfully set. That's all it takes to set a take profit on eToro. It's a quick feature, but it can be very helpful for managing trades more efficiently and staying aligned with your strategy. Thanks for watching. Or